because I'm gonna meet the girls again today. One of my girlfriends, we're going to one of my girlfriend's house, and of course I wanted to bring you there, guys. If you want to see that, please keep on watching. This is my OOTD, just plain t-shirt, my American Eagle jeans, and my Cat Maconi sandals, and of course today I'm bringing my tote bag. So yeah, follow me around, guys, if you want to see how's my day. Let's go. I stopped by here at Starbucks to get my green tea latte. Last tree now here. Bye. While waiting for Imelda and Elizabeth, kasi sasabay kami sasakay ng ferry. I just have my green tea here. It's a beautiful day today, guys. So you can see that. Let's take off the mask because you can take off mask in public if you're eating or drinking. So it's fine. We are here in the ferry. Wow. It is yum.
Pas ka din?
Sa akin naman pinakapedo, no?
Kasi kawawa naman.
Tapos na namin mag-lunch. So, umuwi na yung mga ibang girls. I'm just sitting down here. I'm reading a book. Ay, hindi ako nag-read ng book. I'm actually just looking at this book, The Empire of Hong Kong. I'm here now. Look at the view, guys. Gonna play the game. Maglalaro sila ng Pong 8. Yan, si Iris. We're just sitting here. So we're heading back home na, you guys. Naghintay lang kami ng ferry to Central. There's Imelda. Yan yung ferry namin pabalik ng Central. Ano lang to, diba? 5 minutes lang, nandun na kami sa Central. Wala masyadong view. Wala tayong masyadong view dito. Here's Imelda! Hello guys! Pauwi na po kami. And this is it! Pansit! Hey guys, so I just get back home. It's almost 6 o'clock here in Hong Kong. The food was good. I'm so happy to see the girls again. It's been a while. The last time I saw them was a month ago. And Erlinda's house was amazing. It was amazing. She has a harbor view. So I hope you guys enjoyed that video. I'll see you on my next one. Bye!